Is this tiny defense stock a hidden multi-bagger? They power torpedoes and ISRO rockets, but recent revenues just collapsed by 40%. But flat long growth makes it a risky play. Is it a buy or a value trap? They are a key supplier for DRDO and ISRO, powering critical satellite launch vehicles. But flat long-term growth makes it a risky play.
Today we are going to talk about a micro cap, nano cap defense stock, which is basically a manufacturer of batteries, but they don't make standard consumer batteries. They manufacture specialized high-tech batteries used in directly by Indian Army, Navy, Indian Air Force, and the space launch vehicles. This company's market cap is 480 crore, sitting right at the upper edge of the nano cap boundary. Because their products are mission critical and highly specialized, they have strong economic moat. They are direct beneficiaries of government's Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. As India continues to ramp up its domestic defense manufacturing and aerospace testing, the demand for indigenous military grade power system is locked in for long term growth. Let's check the key metrics of this company. RSI is 47.7, MACD currently flashing nearly bearish single on daily time frame. Moving average, the price is squeezed a bit tightly between 200-day EMA 574 to 580 rupees. If we talk about technical targets, 580 and 685 is the main basic targets. Let's talk about fundamentals. Company's market cap is 517 cr, P ratio is 37.7, expensive compared to its own history. ROC 20.4%, excellent capital efficiency. They generate very strong operating return on the capital deployed. ROE 15.4%, a healthy return on shareholder equity. Debt to equity 0.10, outstanding. Promoter holding 43.07, stable ownership with zero pledges shares, which is a strong safely indicator. The bull case, strength and moat, a niche monopoly. They do not compete in the crowded retail battery space. They specialize in high margin mission critical silver, zinc, nickel, cadmium and silver chloride magnesium batteries. Sticky clientele. Their primary customers are the DRDO, ISRO, the Indian Armed Forces. Their products go directly into aerospace launch vehicles, torpedoes, and military tanks. High cash generation. Operating cash flow is strong relative to their size and they are consistently pay a dividend, recently declaring a Rs 3 per share dividend in May 2026. Q1 FY27 results June 2026. In their most recent result, they have announced good results compared to their last results. If you are looking for a nano cap or micro cap, this could be a good bet for you. Thanks for watching.